everybody, we have got an awesome puzzle we're going to put together today, and we are going to learn our letters. We have some special friends here that are going to help us learn some letters, and they've got a surprise for us at the end. Look at these cool robots. What do you think they transform into? Oh, I bet they transform into something cool. So we are going to transform each of these awesome robots while we do our video. So first off, we have got some cool puzzle pieces here. What do you think we're going to create with this awesome puzzle? I don't know, but we have got to learn our alphabet song so that we can put the puzzle together. Did you know that? Learning your alphabet will help you with this puzzle. We have to start with the first puzzle piece, and it is the letter A. Look at that. Then we'll have to move to the next puzzle piece, which has the letter B. And we'll put them in order together to see what we get. Let's start that song up and start building. I can't wait to see all of the fun surprises in this letter video. Now it's time for the big one, letter E. We've got part of a face. Let's keep going. What's next? Do you know? F. The letter F is next. You're so good at your letters. You're learning them really well. As a surprise, let's see what our first robot transforms into. If we go like this. Oh, this turns. Can you tell what he's turning into? What do we have? Our robot turned into the letter A. That's awesome! We have a robot letter A. I wonder what the other robots will turn into. Do you know? Let's keep doing our puzzle and then we'll check out the robots and see what they transform into. Here we go. What comes after F? It's really coming along. This is a great puzzle. Can you tell what it is yet? We've got a few pieces still missing, but before we finish the puzzle, let's do another robot. What do you think this robot's going to change into? Let's see. Can you tell what it's going to change into? It's the letter B. Now we have A and B robots. A, B, B. This is so cool. I love these little guys. Did you see how his head came out? Look at that. It just pops up. And he's got little arms. A and B. I wonder what the last robot is. Do you have a good guess as which letter this robot is? We'll see if you're right. Let's finish our puzzle. The last letter we did was the letter U. Now we're going to add the letter V, V. The letter W, 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 W. What's happening? The letter X, 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 X-ray. Y, yo-yo. And the last letter is the letter Z, and it's on his tail. Z, Z. What is it? It's a lion. We put our puzzle together. Great job, everyone! You are awesome at doing puzzles. Now, are you ready to check out this last robot? Did you figure out which letter this robot is? It's the letter C. A, B, C. We did it! Great job with your puzzles and your robots. What sound does the letter C make? K, k, k. Like in cat. I had so much fun sharing these cool letter robots with you and this awesome puzzle that we put together. Thank you so much for watching the video, and as a surprise at the very end, I was gonna add one more letter. Let's see what kind of robot the letter D turns into. Do you know what sound the letter D makes? D, D, like in duck. What kind of robot do you think this guy will make? Oh, look at that. I think I found his legs. Where is his head? Oh, there it is. That's so cute. Let's see. So his arms go this way. There we go. Robot arms. And some robot feet. Ta-da! We made another robot. We made the letter A, B, C, and D. Now we're going to turn them back into a letter. The letter D. Ta-da! A, B, C, D. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember that Jesus loves you very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.